Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. I bet you said, man, he doing corn again? Yep, because I love me some corn, and there's so many different ways you can prepare, and this is one of my favorites. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Southern style cream of corn. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our corn. We got some heavy whipping cream, milk, sour cream, cream cheese, butter, some onions, garlic, flour, black pepper, cayenne pepper, sugar, and kosher salt. So that's all we're gonna need. Let's get to it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're gonna do is gonna take our milk. We'll add it to this measuring cup. We'll add our flour, and we're just gonna get this mixed up. Just like that, we're gonna sit that aside. Let's continue. All right, let's begin by heating up our butter. As that starts to melt, we're gonna add our onions. And we're gonna cook this over a medium heat for about 2 minutes till those veggies soften. All right, so after about 2 minutes in and your veggies soften, we're gonna add our garlic. And we're just gonna let this cook for another 30 seconds, bring out the flavors of that garlic. All right, so after that 2 minutes, we're gonna bring over our corn, and we're gonna add our corn. And guys, I'm using fresh corn. I took it off the cob. We're gonna add our heavy whipping cream, along with our sugar, our salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. We're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes, get it all combined. Now we're gonna add our cream cheese, and we're gonna get that stirred in. And right behind that, we're gonna start adding our flour and milk mixture. And we're gonna add this slowly while we constantly stir it. And we're gonna constantly stir this over the next 5 to 7 minutes as it thickens. Once it thickens at the right consistency you're looking for, so we're gonna turn our heat off. So for the next 5 minutes, we're just gonna stir this constantly and allow it to thicken. All right, so we are there. This is the consistency we want. Take a look at that. Man, that's how you want your cream of corn to look. We're gonna turn off our heat. Let's jump over to our cutting board. Got one more step, then we're gonna get into our final presentation. All right, so now we're on our cutting board. Now what I'm gonna do is optional. I'm gonna take 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I like to add that to my corn. Now, you can use freshly grated Parmesan cheese if you want to. This is all I had. I had this imitation, I guess that's called imitation, but we're gonna still use it. It's still gonna work, and we're gonna get it mixed up like this. We're gonna finish that off, with some of that green stuff. Also, we're gonna crack a little black pepper on top of it like that. And there you have it, guys. Southern style cream of corn. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control, because this is what we've been waiting for. All right, it's quality control time, guys. Let's bring this Southern cream corn up to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at that. Whew. Let's go ahead while it's hot. Let's take a bite of it. Oh man. Hey, God, it's cream of corn. Everybody had a little cream of corn, but have you made it Southern style like this? Another one to add to your family gathering or holiday. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings everything, and this is good. Remember, not chef, just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.